Unlocking the hidden power of cloves. Your path to wellness. After 50. Have you ever considered that a simple kitchen spice could be a key to enhancing your health as you age? Cloves, a tiny aromatic bud, might just be the natural boost you've been searching for. A spice steeped in history and health. Images of ancient spice markets and traders exchanging cloves. Did you know that cloves were once worth their weight in gold? Today, they're accessible to all, yet their value to our health is priceless. By embracing cloves, you're tapping into a legacy of natural healing passed down through generations. The timeless wonder of cloves. For centuries, cloves have been cherished not just for their warm, spicy flavor, but for their remarkable health benefits, especially after the age of 50, when our bodies begin to show signs of wear. Cloves can offer surprising support. Eugenol, nature's powerful protector. At the heart of cloves lies eugenol, a potent compound renowned for its antioxidant, antibacterial, and tonic properties. Imagine a guardian working tirelessly to combat harmful free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress and slowing down the aging process. That's eugenol in action. Strengthening your immune system. As we journey through life, maintaining a robust immune system becomes ever more crucial. Cloves can give your body's defenses a natural lift. By enhancing the production of white blood cells, they help you fend off infections more effectively. It's like having an internal shield that's constantly being reinforced. A natural ally against cancer. Could cloves be a secret weapon in cancer prevention? Emerging research suggests they might be. Studies indicate that eugenol can inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells and even promote their destruction. While it's not a cure, incorporating cloves into your diet adds another layer of defense. Regulating blood sugar levels. Balancing blood sugar is vital, especially as we age. Cloves may help by improving insulin function and lowering glucose levels. For those concerned about diabetes or metabolic health, this humble spice offers a simple, natural aid. Supporting bone health. Bones become more fragile over time, but cloves are rich in manganese, a mineral essential for bone density and strength. Including cloves in your daily routine can contribute to healthier bones, helping you stay active and vibrant. Nurturing stomach health. Digestive issues can be an unwelcome companion later in life. Cloves stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, easing indigestion and reducing gas and bloating. They also promote the production of gastric mucus, protecting the stomach lining and helping to prevent ulcers. Scientific insights into clove benefits. Let's delve into what the research says. 1. Antioxidant and antimicrobial activity. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that clove essential oil has strong antioxidant properties and can inhibit the growth of harmful bacteria. 2. Anti-inflammatory effects. Research published in the Journal of Immunology demonstrated that eugenol can reduce inflammation, potentially benefiting conditions like arthritis. Embracing cloves in daily life. So how can you tap into these benefits? Morning boost. Chew 1 to 2 cloves in the morning. This simple habit freshens breath and kickstarts your health regimen. Soothing tea. Brew a warm cup of clove tea by steeping a few cloves in hot water for 10 minutes. Add a touch of honey or lemon for flavor. Culinary delight. Sprinkle ground cloves into your oatmeal, smoothies, or soups. Their unique flavor enhances dishes while boosting your wellness. Topical relief. Mix a few drops of clove oil with a carrier oil like coconut oil. Apply to sore muscles or joints to ease discomfort. Mindful consumption. While cloves offer numerous benefits, it's important to use them wisely. Recommended amount. Stick to 2 to 3 cloves per day to avoid potential side effects. Who should be cautious? Those on blood-thinning medications or with bleeding disorders. Individuals scheduled for surgery. Stop using cloves 2 weeks prior. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a healthcare provider. Possible side effects. Overconsumption may lead to stomach upset or allergic reactions. Diabetics should monitor blood sugar levels, as cloves can lower them. As you stand at the crossroads of wellness, consider the humble clove as a companion on your journey. Its myriad benefits are backed by both tradition and science, offering a simple way to enhance your quality of life. Why not take a small step today that could lead to significant health improvements tomorrow? The secret is out, and it's sitting right there in your spice cabinet. What other hidden treasures might nature hold for us to discover? Health Guide free. Please subscribe, like,